manufacture the best quality pellets you ever create. Introducing the next level of pelletization. Presenting all new pellet machine. First time ever make your pellets without any binder with ECOSTANT pellet machine. Its production is 800 kg per hour. Machine is equipped with electric panel to smoothen the workflow. To make pellets, material should be granulated. So, first, large particles are separated with the help of ECOSTANT vibrator. After that, material is processed through ECOSTANT flash dryer to dry the wet content from raw material. Furnace is used to give temperature to flash dryer. Temperature meter helps to maintain the temperature. Heat waves and raw material get combined and sucked by massive ID fan. Dried material is collected into holding chamber. And screw conveyor drifts the material to holding bin. Holding bin supplies the material to pellet machine a constant amount. Pellets are formed without any binder with high pressure. Moreover, other attachments are also offered at additional cost, such as long conveyors, pellet holding bin, packing machine. Pellets are used in houses for heating and cooking purposes. Industries also consumes bulk quantity of pellets at daily basis. Inquire for more information. Book now. ECOSTANT, making world better place.